So guys, this is me trying to handle that objection. You know, a whole lot of you were asking if this projector can be used during the daytime. This is it. This is daytime. This is my window. Look at it. It's daytime. So here it is. I'm going to go back and go into YouTube and watch a video. If you can see, it's almost the same thing. So this is not a case of no, it's not going to work during the night. And let me show you. This is it. This is a small one working. This is the same one I'm advertising. This is the bigger one, but this another day. The small one is the only one that is working. So this is not like false marketing. You can see it. Let me go to the home page so you can see it. This is your Netflix, YouTube, and even if you want more apps, you can download from App Store. This is Android 11, so you can get more apps. You just need to plug in your Gmail account so you can download more. You can download your Hulu, your Disney Plus, your Amazon Prime. I mean, look at the back. Let me show you the back. Look at the back. Look at. You can plug in your game, your DSTV. You can even connect your flash if you want more, maybe movie space or anything. If you want, you can connect your speaker here, maybe your home theater. It has Bluetooth, it has Wi-Fi. So what are you looking for? What are you looking for?